Hello guys, it's me Gabe, and today we're gonna be playing this game on Roblox. And it's supposed to be a game where you like try not to get run over by a train and you can push people. Was that a car? Why was there a car driving over the train tracks? Bye, mister! I'm gonna push you off. No! You're gonna die. Train. Pushing the train tracks. Like in the money. Oh, so like the main goal of this game, you're trying to like push people on the train tracks so they can get run over. And if they get run over by the train, then they... Are you serious? I just got up. Train! What the? Oh yeah, I also got some new shades. Sorry. There's so many. Ah! How did I get like $3 and $4? Where's the train? No! No! Sorry. Die! Oh! Okay. Here. Wait, what? Hey, what's for Bloxy Cola? I had $23. There, buy a box of Bloxy Cola. Worth it. Now remember, kids, never go on the train tracks. If you're at a subway and a train is coming, what do? So your best main, okay, so you think that the best main option is to go on the edge because a little bit of space if you have the power enough to squeeze. Well, that's actually wrong because it connects power to the train. So what else? So lay down on the track and if you're the perfect size. Ha ha ha. Stop pushing everyone, bro.
はもう死んでいる。何？
What the? My head exploded! My head exploded! Okay. No! That's crap! Hope you die. No, get down, get down. What? How did I get pushed? I pushed him! This game's broken, bro. Bro, stop pushing me! Dude! Right when I first respawned, someone pushed me and I couldn't get up. God. Ah! Ow! Perfect. Hey, let's go! I'm riding the train! Party! 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 Party in the elevator! Party in the elevator! Party in the train, yo! Party in the train, yo! $34. I'm gonna buy a ticket. Ticket costs like $5, which is really actually a good price for an actual trade ticket. Ah! Take that, loser. You... Bro! Oh, ah! Bro, again? Stop pushing me out of the freaking train! Sorry. Oh, it is on, girl. You wanna play the hard way? Fine, let's play the hard way. Come here, come here. Sure. Go up, go up. Get up, get up! Get up! This is my train now. Wow, I just died! Oh. That's not good. Oh, crap. Ah! Oh, no. The thing fell off again. Crap. Don't worry, guys, I'll fix it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. Screw it. My little mouse went flying because I raged so hard that I flew. Okay, anyways, what's my ticket? Cha-ching! Perfect. or died on the train? Okay, well, I lost where I get a train ticket. What the? Okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. First, I want to jump on the train tracks to end the video. Where's the train? It always comes that way, okay?